need this stuff. That's so IntelliJ started after all this magic. Can I please close it? IntelliJ, I don't want you to index anything. I just want to close this project. Thank you. Although this thing doesn't work when I click it. Disgusting. Okay. Open. Now I can go to my Angular project. Okay. So now one thing I want to add it to my GitHub, share. Now we obviously want the Angular page itself, right? Oh, you cannot see my screen, right? Let me quickly find how I can share. Yeah, I can share entire screen. This one. So Angular. So, okay. Basic Hello World 4. Okay. Seriously, what a day. Okay. Paste on. Oh. Thank you. Now it works. Apparently there was some symbol. Now, I'm not sure if I have NPM on this machine. Okay. NPM. I might. Yeah. Now, what I want to do is NPM version. I'm not sure if it's -v or yeah. How do I update NPM? NPM update something? No? Up to date. Okay. How do you check Node.js version? Check Node.js version. Okay. Okay, so it is. Where is my screen? They've stolen my screen. How dare they? Node version. Oh, maybe it's double D. Okay, so that's bash. Node. Okay, exit. I'll see again or type exit. Okay, we'll type so I can remember it better. Now, (1910), right? I have a strong feeling that I'll need Node.js. I think it's 19 right now. Okay. So latest features thing. Sorry. Which one is it? 19.7. So 19.1 is pretty decent. Do I have something called Node Home, just out of interest? Oh, sorry. Because it will be this thing. It will be echo. Do we have Java Home? I'm just checking because I don't know this grammar. Okay. Now, because I knew Node Java Home exists, Node Home doesn't. Where Node? Okay, there. How do I update Node? Update Node. Node V. No, and latest, right? And latest. Oh, so I need npm install gn. Okay, that will install a tool called n, and this tool is okay. Maybe it's to do with command line. Sorry about that. That's command line. So it will be npm install or install. I think this one comes for global with dash, and this one comes for the name. Still doesn't work. So that didn't work. Maybe this. So, okay, with the installer, I understand. But npm node v data cache clean, I understand. I'm not convinced, but we'll see. We can save this thing. So they're telling us that I can just run as administrator, because I really don't want this, to download stuff. Because I like doing things like cold way. I like doing things from command line. This, well, you will often meet computers which never had UI as such. And the console is the most UI. Most of the computers in the world will be like this, I guess. So that's done. npm install gn. Might still fail. Yeah, that's what I thought. x64. Okay, what I can do, I can just download on this thing. To be honest, I don't really want it to be this way. Software. I will just okay, file location. It's here. So did I just uninstall it? Oh, so it's no install. So I think if I download it, I think in my software center I will find that you cannot imagine how much I love Windows because there is no love. Uninstall. Yeah, this one. Please, can I move the window? It's a bit hard to move the windows. I mean, this part is not visible because the whole window is black. Search this. Do I have Node here? No. How does it know then to look here? Okay, so it's actually quite easy because that's our node, and we'll just change it to another one, and that's all. So what we will do, we will download this one. 128 megabytes. It's small. So yeah, I think you can still hear me. Show in folder. So this thing. No, I don't want this stuff. But oh, we got node. That's important. Dev tools. Okay. So this stuff is important. Set here. Thank you. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, this is inside because most of the libraries they have a folder inside. Most of the zips, but sometimes people go against the culture and they just put application files inside, but they don't create a folder, like the first folder. And then you don't know what will happen if you extract it, because if there's a mess, if they don't have a folder to wrap them all, there will be a mess. Okay. I guess that should work. Okay. Now, if we go to system properties, to this one, I want this one to be this one. Okay, and now my path will be, well, NVM home is okay, but how will it find the one from Node? That's the real question. So I have Node, which is this one. But I don't see where Node is made a part of the path. It won't be here, right? Because this is our system. So the only place it can be, it's here. Can I find anything? No. Oh, that's not nice. We'll do it this way. And we'll rename node to node home as well. Okay. Now I only wanted to see what is inside node. So node itself is here, so it's cool. Okay. Now, if I type node here, IntelliJ, which still didn't I expected when I type node, I expected it to type, but it's PowerShell, I guess. At least we can do that. 1910, right? But if I do bash stuff, how does this stuff gets there? That's interesting. That's what happens when you don't work with JavaScript like at all. Yeah, well, it's still not an excuse, right? If only I could see. Yeah, that's better. If only I could see. Why would I need this directory at all? So I have this thing and I have this node thing. What is the name? NVM no install. It's not that old actually, but so let's check what is NVM. I kind of know, but I don't want to. What is NVM? But, never mind. Yeah. Out, delete. Oh. Actually, let's see here. How do we install it? That package. That we don't want. Node.js and NVM, right? Node.js and NVM, the relationship. Because I think what happens is that this NVM thing, it has, so that has the version 19.1 of Node. How did I get it? I don't remember. I really don't remember. Software. I think NVM is a package manager for them, right? Yeah, version manager. How did I install it? NVM Windows. Let me see if I remember this stuff. I really don't want to have stuff which I don't even remember installing. NVM no install. How did it get created? Think about Node.js. NVM install. Okay. Oh. So this one probably still I installed it. What was the time? But I normally don't create links like that. So okay, so that's how they install it. I don't want that. all. So what I will do, I will check if our software center has it. Programs. Let's see if I have this thing. Blah blah blah. Nope, I don't have it. So it wasn't installed via Windows or anything. I can double check. So I will just delete it. So I delete. Maybe it's here in Angular, maybe in Docs. Getting started, setup. Maybe that's how it happened. Still, I want to control. So it's called no install, so I will just delete it. We have this thing. Now I have environment variables. Nope. It's Control Shift Escape on Windows. I probably need to build a new machine. Doesn't really matter. I should be able to perform well with old machine. Now, no, I need environment variables. Environment variables, and then I don't need this stuff and this stuff. I have. This is not nice. That's definitely not what I wanted. 1 second. Yeah. This is better. Okay. Now, again, path. Path is this thing. I don't need this stuff. And I don't need this stuff. We have Node Home, that's good. So I think I found a way to install it like directly from CMD to Windows, and that was not a very good idea. At least I'm not. It's not something where. Now it's better. Now let's see. I don't want this stuff. I want this stuff. Maybe not. I want Angular. Okay. Let me see, what can I do? So Node.js we have. That's good. Node we have. NPM. Do we have NPM? No. No, I don't want this one. And I've already killed my bash again, myself, somehow. Have it? Yeah, it's part of Node.js. So npm install g Angular CLI. Okay. Just wanted to see how many logical processes I have. 16. Okay. Okay. Oh. Really? Excuse me. So how do you expect me to run it if it's not a command? How can I set execution policy? Is it PowerShell? Please, thank you. Okay, thank you. It's done. Create workspace and initial application. Okay. Let's select tryouts. ng. Let's see what is ng. Okay. Why do they call it ng? So what does it do? Node global or whatever, I don't know. So, but here it allows me to do my up. Okay. And we're installing it, creating from scratch. That's why I like practicing stuff. Installs packages. So that's my up thing. It will be interesting to see. Seriously, a default application is of 300 megabytes. Now I've seen everything. In how many files? But yeah, 40,000. So there's a big problem with that. Well, that's a cost, that's a price, right? But imagine you are working in a company where you have to use virtualized environments, and imagine you have only 2 cores, and one of them will be taken by antivirus, which will be checking all those beautiful files, all 40,000 of them. Every time you create new app or something, your computer will freeze. So yeah, but that's like old pain of some of my friends. Anyway, so I think it's still happening. You see, it still hasn't finished. Well, it might not have finished, but we can see inside, right? It's not stopping us from checking inside. So we can see README being created, a lot of modules. Oof. There's index. Looks like that. I would expect this part to finish one day, but I'm not sure if it's doing anything. How do I know? Successfully initialized Git. Yes, we did it. Now, here, so ng new app. It was from here, and then did it. So, well, I don't really need to write it down. So this thing, run the application. Oh, you can do that. Did I close the Node.js? 1 second. Okay, we are here. G serve. I want to find what on earth is in G command. Do they have like, why would they call it ng? Angular, not here. Angular ng command. So npm package manager. LNG is a core module. Yeah. So what we can do, ng commands come like this. We have it probably somewhere here. We could have it, but I don't see it. Open. Oh, nice. So look, apparently there's the application which runs on, no, it's not. Yeah, It is true. This stuff runs on my machine. So now, although this stuff is all located somewhere else, so I think tomorrow I will do this too. Okay. So the plan for tomorrow will be, actually, let's write the plan for tomorrow in my YouTube, right? So I'll just share, copy. Okay, Twitter. Oh, I need to turn off my own voice here. And the plan for tomorrow is to learn how testing works in Angular. Thanks to my today's ventures. And well, it could have been easier, but life is life. Okay. So so tomorrow will be this command. Tomorrow we'll start with and for look at this way. Oh, for the God's sake, I wanted to actually do it. Undo. This way. Why am I sharing? Well, personally, it's the best way to make sure I do not quit too early. I also want other people to see that at least for me, IT is often hard to learn. Normally, it will help. Okay. Unity learning run out, and this will be Angular testing. Okay. That's good enough. Did I get any followers today? Not yet, but you can be the next one. So you're always welcome to join me on Twitter. I'm just a very humble developer, but I have a lot of good friends, and well, and if you follow me, you'll see what my friends share, and they share really good stuff. Well, and that's it for today. I wish you all to have a very good evening and speak to you later. Bye. Bye.